we're cutting our breast of chicken into half. Beautiful. And we're going to pound it. Remove these tendons or this extra skin. We're going to oil our pan with olive oil. And we have our flour, egg wash, and crumbs. And to the crumbs I added parsley, paprika, garlic, and chopped onion. You don't want your oil to be too hot, but you also don't want it to be too cold. I put my olive oil on medium high. I'm going to take my schnitzel. I'm going to cover it with flour. Take off excess flour. Put in my egg wash. And into my crumbs. Into my flour. Egg wash. Into the crumbs. I'm going to put my schnitzel in the oil on medium high. Take my tongs. Flip it over. Look how beautiful that is brown. You want like 4 minutes on each side. Schnitzel came out beautifully. With schnitzel you can do also with veal or beef, but usually it's done with breast of chicken. The schnitzel goes well with cut up salad like tomatoes and cucumbers, with fries, with baked potato, roasted potato, or just on rice. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me.